Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 6, Places of Indian Cultural Heritage. Okay, some of the portion of this lesson we discussed. Now, remaining part we are going to discuss. Now, Red Fort. Red Fort, located at Delhi, was built by Shah Jahan in 1638 AD. Okay, so who had built Red Fort? Shah Jahan. And when? In 1638. Okay, so make sure. Yes, this fort is made up of red stone. Shah Jahan founded city named Shah Jahabad in the same fort which was named after him. Okay, so this fort is made of which stone? Red. And Shah Jahan founded city namely Shah Jahabad in the same fort which was named after him. Okay, then next, this fort included Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Rang Mahal, etc. Okay, so Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Rang Mahal, okay, are in this fort. Diwane Khas more magnificently decorated than other buildings. Okay, Diwane Khas more magnificently decorated. Okay, with comparatively with other buildings. It is decorated with an amalgamation of gold and silver. Okay, amalgamation means mixture. Okay, gold and silver embedded with precious stone. The stone building of Red Fort are Rang Mahal. Other building of Red Fort are Rang Mahal, Mirror Palace, Aina Mahal. It is also called Aina Mahal. Okay, the meaning of mirror is Aina, so that is why. So Mirror Palace or Aina Mahal of Mumtaz, Lahori Gate, Meena Bazaar, and Mughal Garden, etc., which are the center of attraction of Red Fort. Okay, there are other things. Okay, which are center, main heart of the Red Fort, we can say. There one what say magnificent thing is Peacock Throne. Peacock Throne is the best exquisite creation of this fort, which Nadir Shah took along with him to Iran. Okay, so sometime it can be asked. Okay, what did Nadir Shah take along with him to Iran? The answer is Peacock Throne. Okay, what is answer? Peacock Throne. Okay, now next, Red Fort is one of the outstanding building among the Mughal art of architecture. Every year, our Indian flag is hosted on the Red Fort on national festival. Okay, uh, uh, national festival, Republic Day or Independence Day. So on this day, our Indian flag is hoisted on the Red Fort. Okay. Now next, it is 26 mile away from Agra in Uttar Pradesh, where it is situated. So sorry, Fatehpur Sikri. See, Fatehpur Sikri. It is 26 mile away from Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Akbar has founded this city in the memory of Sufi saint Sheikh Salim Chishti. He made it his own capital city. The building construction of Sikri was started in 1569 AD and completed till 1572. Okay, the best building among them are Palace of Birbal, Golden Palace of Bibi Mariam, Palace of Turki Sultan, Jama Masjid, and Buland Darwaza. Okay, so Fatehpur Sikri, where it is 26 mile away from Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Akbar has founded. Okay, in whose memory? Memory of Sufi saint Sheikh Salim Chishti. Okay, now Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri is 41-meter wide and 50-meter high. Okay, the other well-known and remarkable buildings of Sikri are Palace of Jodhabai, पंचमहल, टॉम्ब ऑफ शेख सलीम चिश्ती, टॉम्ब मतलब कबर, देन दीवान आम, दीवान खास एंड ज्योतिष महल. सो देर आर सम अदर attraction. Okay, these are remarkable building of Sikri are Palace of Jodhabai. Okay, she was a wife of Akbar. Then Panchmahal, tomb of Sheikh Salim Chishti, Diwan Am, Diwan Khas and Jyotish Mahal. Okay, so sometime for short kind of question can be asked. Okay, the main other attractive building of Fatehpur Sikri. So you may should have an idea about it. Now next. Now students, churches of Goa. Okay, we can say India has given importance to all religion. Okay, so that is why we have different kind of religious temples, mosques, even churches also. The Christian missionary came to India with the Portuguese to spread Christianity. Okay. As we know that in India earlier many different kind of people, foreigner came on the name of the sake of trade, and afterwards they started ruling on us, and after also they spread their religion also. So that is why uh, Christian missionary came to India with the Portuguese to spread Christianity. Goa was the capital of the Portuguese. Many churches were built in Goa, like Church of Basilica of Bom Jesus and Basilica of God Jesus are in Old Goa. The relics of Saint Francis Xavier is kept in a coffin in a church of Goa. Okay, there is a one miracle over you can see. The relics of Saint Francis Xavier is kept in a coffin in church of Goa. बेटा इधर जो सेंट फ्रांसिस है, फ्रांसिस जेवियर, उनकी जो बॉडी के अवशेष जो बोलते उसको कॉफिन मतलब जो बॉक्स में बॉडी को रखते हैं, वो रखा गया है यहाँ गोवा में. His dead body has not decayed even after so many years. Okay, generally, okay, it is a process. So, but the body of Saint Francis, okay, does not get decayed even after many years. Okay, beside there are many churches in Goa. It is well renowned for its beautiful beaches and its artistic churches. Okay, so we can say if we go to Goa, so we have a little foreign environment will get, because their civilization little bit has been transformed into Western culture also. So there are different beaches and churches. They are main attraction of the Goa. Okay, so in this topic it can be asked, okay, like whose relics is kept in a coffin in a church of Goa and his dead body has not decayed even after so many years. So answer is Saint Francis Xavier. Okay. Okay, so now next site Champaner, okay, which is situated in Gujarat. Champaner is situated in the foothills of Pavagadh at Halol Taluka in Panchmahal district of Gujarat. So where it is situated? Champaner is situated in the foothills of Pavagadh at Halol. Foothills, okay, तलेटी जैसे बोलते हैं, in Panchmahal district, okay, of Gujarat. Then, after the victory of Champaner, Muhammad Begda gave it the position of capital and named it Muhammadabad. Okay, so when Muhammad Begda, okay, who got victory on Champaner, and he made Champaner as his capital and gave name Muhammadabad. Okay, so maybe small question can be asked. Okay, Muhammad Begda gave it the position of capital, and what did he give name? Muhammadabad. Okay, then which are the main attraction of it? Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid, and historical fort are different buildings in Champaner. Considering art of architecture and historical importance of Champaner, UNESCO has declared this town as a site of World Heritage. Okay, so this is the main important thing. Okay, put underline in your textbook also. Okay, UNESCO has declared this town, okay, a site of World Heritage. Okay, student, let us forward towards some other sites, places, monuments of cultural heritage of Gujarat. Gujarat has foremost places in the field of sculpture and architecture. Many beautiful architectural sites can be seen here. For example, cave architecture, temples, fort, wow, it means staples, okay, arch, etc., arcs, etc. And now let us know about the places of cultural heritage of Gujarat. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about cultural heritage of Gujarat. Okay, among number one, Dholavira and Lothal. Okay, already you might have learned in your lower standards about, okay, yeah, what's a Indus Valley civilization, about Dholavira and Lothal and all. Dholavira and Lothal were the main cities of Indus Valley civilization. Dholavira is situated in Khadirabad at Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Okay, so first of all, where it is located? So Dholavira is situated in Khadirabad, Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Okay, and there are two main cities. Okay, Dholavira and Lothal are main city of Indus civilization. Sometimes it can be asked. Okay. Now next, student, Dholavira is known for its ideal town planning, where Harappan culture was renowned as center of trade and commerce. Okay, so town planning of Dholavira is one of the best, and where Harappan culture was renowned as center of trade and commerce. 5,000 years ago from today, bead making factories and ornament making shell were found out from at Dholavira. Okay, you can see at before 5,000 years. Okay, 5,000 years ago, we got some clue, okay, about ornament making, okay, the bead making factories over here. Now next, Lothal. Lothal is situated near Ahmedabad Bhavnagar highway, is an architectural place which was main center of trade and commerce, and well facilitated port of Harappan culture in these times. Okay, so what you have to keep in your mind for Lothal, which is situated near Ahmedabad. Okay, Bhavnagar highway. Okay, by this way we are going to put end of this video. I really felt happy some of have heard my words and they have started seeing some videos and all, but still some are not. I can see I'm not fully satisfied with this thing, but possibly you again make aware to your friends those who are not seeing. Okay, because your paper style and regarding what's a paper structure and all, it will be sometimes discussed in video, and suppose if you are not seeing, then it will be problem for you. Okay, so please call your friends if they are not seeing. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. And suppose if you have any question, any query, okay, you can send me message, and I will try to take this question in our next video also. Thank you, have a nice day.